Registrar of AU, Dr. N. Mallikarjun Rao Garu, to deliver the welcome address.
On behalf of Annamacharya University and on my own behalf, I warmly and cordially welcome the chief guest, His Excellency Sri Bandaru Dattatreya Garu, the Governor of Haryana, Padma Shri and legendary Tollywood actor Dr. Brahmanandam Garu, and Dr. Choppa Reddy Garu, the Chancellor of Annamacharya University, Sri Kiran Abbavaram Garu, film actor and alumni of Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Sri Abhishek Reddy Garu, the Pro-Chancellor of Annamacharya University, and our Sub-Collector, Nayya Devi Garu, and Dr. S.M.E. Narayan Garu, the Principal of Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences. Of the dais, the government officials, police officials, governing body members, invitees, print and electronic media, staff members, parents, and dear students, good evening to you all. It is an honor to address you all on this significant occasion of Annamacharya University Formation Day. We reflect on our journey, celebrate our achievements, and set our insights on an exciting future. From its beginning, the Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences has transformed into a vibrant university as per Andhra Pradesh Private University Regulations and Establishment Act 2016. But our vision not changed. As always, we are dedicated to academic excellence and societal growth. Our mission has always been the same. It is deeply rooted in the ideals of knowledge, service, and innovation inspired by the legacy of the saint poet Annamacharya. We draw daily inspiration from the timeless Sanskrit sloka, Vidwan Sarvatra Pujyate. The sloka encourages us to the posture learning, intellectual growth, and the pursuit of excellence within our university. Annamacharya University, though just a year old, has already made a significant impact by ambitiously expanding its academic origins. From this academic year, we introduced a range of new programs that reflect our commitment to innovation and inclusivity. We have introduced engineering programs in cutting-edge fields like IoT with cybersecurity, including blockchain technology, and specialization in CSE, AI/ML, including alongside the range of other programs in computer science and its allied disciplines. We started BSc programs in cutting-edge technology fields such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, artificial intelligence and data science, programming and data analytics. These programs aim to equip students with the tools to thrive in an ever-evolving digital world. In addition, we have introduced postgraduate programs in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and English. These programs mark a significant milestone in our efforts to advance higher education in foundational and interdisciplinary sciences, enabling students to delve deep into research and specialization. Agriculture is the backbone of our nation, and through this program, we aim to equip students with knowledge and skills related to revolutionize in agricultural sector. We also started the offer PhD programs in engineering and technology and humanities and sciences. I feel proud to highlight that no other budding university has introduced such diverse range of academic programs within its very first year. All this would not have been possible without the tireless efforts and greater vision of our founder, Chancellor, Dr. Choppa Gangireddy Garu, and Pro-Chancellor, Sri Abhishek Reddy Garu. Their leadership, support, and guidance has been pivotal in shaping the identity of Annamacharya University. I record my heartfelt thanks to faculty and staff who have been instrumental in making the transformation into reality. Our students, you are the heart of the university. Your passion and achievements inspire us to constantly strive for excellence. Looking ahead, we have ambitious plans for the coming years. We are working towards introducing a comprehensive law program that will prepare students to become ethical and competent legal professionals. Additionally, we are in the process of launching courses in health sciences addressing the growing need for skilled healthcare professionals. These initiatives reflect our dedication into diversifying our offerings and serving the needs of our society. Merging the pharmacy courses into university is currently in the process. We are celebrating this Formation Day. Let us reform our commitment to building a brighter future for our students, our community, and our nation. Together, let us Annamacharya University to even greater heights. Thank you, and let us make this a day memorable. Thank you all.